This is a very nice electric tea kettle, or water kettle really. It's got the gauge on the side, on-off switch, and as you can hear, it's not very noisy. It shows the maximum. The only complaint I would have as an American is it's in liters, and so I have no idea what this means. I don't know the metric system. It really is a nice water kettle. I like it.
意戀中意氣中意中每晚慣望長空，蠢的風醜的風凍的風我也覺得冰凍。
Alright, we have our new electric kettle to check out today. Let's see. Comes very well packaged in the box, as you can tell. Check it out. What's in here? We have instructions. We have the top to our kettle. Top to our kettle, which means this must be the bottom base charging unit to make it hot. There we go. See, it's got a little port there. Lines right up, sits on it nicely. See, it sits nicely and flush. Fill with water, put this on, and you're good to go. She's got a little kind of transparent over here. You can see how much is in there. There you go. Really interesting. Yeah, nice looking unit. Looks pretty cool.